and you're going to take the Allen key that is supplied with the new cartridge. You're going to first put this in mode 1, which is the widest opening, and remove the cap. By removing this screw, we're going to drop this screw off here, so we need the key. Going to remove the cap, and then we're going to close the device, and we're going to use the Allen key to hold the spring back. There's a little spot in there for that. We're going to rotate the removal tab to this outermost position. We're going to take the removal tool, and we're going to slide it in and underneath, and then we're going to pull out the cartridge. And then obviously this is not a new cartridge, but to reinsert it, it's basically kind of the same thing in reverse, but we have to line up the tabs. Let's get those lined up. Slides in very nicely. We are going to remove the Allen key, open the device back up, take the cap. It's kind of a little bit of a twisting motion to get it on, but once it's there, we can take the screw, put the screw back in. Tighten it down, and now you're on your way.